안녕하세요 everyone. Today we'll be making broccoli john, the broccoli savory pancake. This type of pancake is not a very traditional Korean pancake, but I've tried a few times and I just fall in love with this recipe. Let's get started. We'll be using the florets of broccoli. Okay, roughly cut into smaller pieces, and we're gonna blanch it for a very short time. You want to blanch the broccolis in a hot water for about 10 to 20 seconds. Now I'm going to soak them in cold water and drain. I'll be using tofu. This is semi-firm tofu. Mash the tofu using the knife like this. For a little bit of crunchy texture and color, you'll need a little bit of bell pepper. Let's chop them small. This is not a must, it's optional. Chop a little bit of green chili. Okay, here I have the blanched broccoli. You could finely chop, or you can use a food processor and just finely brown them. But cutting this way, it leaves a little texture, so that's what I like. I'll be adding a little bit of shrimp to my savory pancake, and it brings umami. Now I want to season the mixture with some salt and black pepper. We'll be using potato starch. We need some sort of ingredient that can make this all together. Then thoroughly mix. Heat the pan over medium heat and drizzle about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. You will need 2 spoons to shape the mixture. Make in a bite-sized pieces and then transfer them to a pan and cook golden brown on both sides. The pancakes are done. Transfer them to a rack or in a basket-like plate. These easy broccoli pancakes can be made in a very short time using a very basic ingredients, maybe that you have in a refrigerator. Give it a try. They are delicious.